Well, yasaba Adom ina mati ya twain common so and say ma memfa fisha pa ma obi bia wo tie na onso sa ehwe. Me sure say enkomo edidi nyina na abetwam kono. Ade ba kwase ohun pa say wapom de wonsem. It say here we pa. Ntia fisha pa whilst you are enjoying the Christmas festivity now kai hunu su say onyame ya adoma yewura January mu na 31st onyame de becha ya china na yakoda na say from January to December baby odi abedu Ebenezer Nafi, the 1st of January 2025. No, Yashasia no Nyame Adom. So your reflections, no, na what me enter soberly. Nafi, why I sure say ubitimi edijume say na efata. Makacho on your priority list for 2025. No, mawa poem de wonsem enye so critical to you. Very, very, very important. Nafi, masa kai when you been a kai parents and guardians say, oh yeah, there January bosomeno you pay school fees. Tifeye ebra wo say sika bebrebe no gibre na fa bisi na fa bitoho na osukuru fees mo amodan kwa de eso January ni February de another hell so I call rent fee na ebeso January we a etese ja wo de ne de double but when you manage situations ne well you feel it but you not really feel it yen share so na fe yen koso so nkai ya driver for do na e won paibom na driver for no so nhwe omo e hyen nyina enso yi ebi koba enye papa ebi brake atiafa so ebi windscreen na sifo enye adwuma yi ebi nkonwa nyina nade prekope oyese pe na atiw ni padua no ti ehwe ni nsisi ahra wodo na driver for so afi we na ye pesika wa anya careful na ko fansem bebre e de aba. Let's take note of that. Very, very important. On that note, enjoy your Christmas holidays and New Year, year and occasions, no, but still with caution. Kofi, I wish I probably.
I think come to
yes.
You see, on my emre to me kopa.
Yes, emre.
Because me kai, is it 2017? Oba me ho.
US, no?
US.
Yeah, hey, echo.
That time now, I feel
yes.
This was, I think, early 2017, before crowd.
Wow.
Obi, able to take over.
Yeah. Hey, Ache.
Agra, 8 years now. The Casa Link, I saw Yampa. You are Brabum Biano.
Yeah.
And then
Kwame Kesi, right?
Kwame Kesi.
Yeah, Kwame Kesi. Kwame baby will be
Kwame Kesi.
Also official.
Kwame the Swooster.
Yeah, other Swooster.
Doing very, very well.
Yes. Oh no, Castle Bagano. I don't know why.
We try move faster.
Anyway, beating me. Anyway, we're beating me. If the Kwame were there, say, oh, Shady, also official. Kwame a Golden Radio now.
Golden Radio.
So you saw now I Paul the Soso.
On frame say Paul be pa appointment.
Paul the Soso how?
Paul ne I'm sure say atonso ha atokwa na.
Yes, atobe wa ha. Atodi omo ba bia na omo roko omo ba na
so omo be position you know.
But they've suffered though.
Oh, is suffering be.
Na say uwa manone usike ba wadaje ba oba ba
I know dey no. Nti omo be dru Ghana omo frame.
I'm surprised.
I won't frame.
Paul the Soso dey atokwa.
Atodie wa frame.
Okay.
But one can't them the entire buy. But me the entire buy.
But some ban bia no. Say wo chiche positions are diaspora for a part of
it. Yes.
It will shim America, China, Ethiopia, India, Monko for more no more active. And I say momo person is ye too dini ba na mo benfo wa hwema na.
They don't say ba the diaspora politics are NPP any party ye jijina mu pa NDC for the sabi obi be say afi no omo ye bi ahwe and it is so because of our history ohwe Jerry Rawlings mreso enipa bebre a mudwane free oman Ghana mu ko abrochiri dodo na ye onomo ana omo ye anti NDC enkofo ana their political leanings and favor Jerry Rawlings are free or mighty. Okwa as far back as the 90s, Ghana for have been agitating for political change for a long time. nti MPP dey di mutintin man pa. And I think say the last 8 years no na NDC for so ema omo homene so a omo so try say omo be activate omo diaspora forces no. Nti omo so omo force but before that no omo hoden no e wo form. But so far I think say NDC for so
what has been the format? Say NDC for so activity omo diaspora life nti names or list will come from those people.
Oh, I'm sure. I don't know their structures, but I'm sure say every country be a chairperson. Inti be quality list. Now omo dey abafom. But you see in political power no man list in adwuma. E be quality list na ba be dru Ghana no. So what na brochira baba na dey be ayewi. Inti you still have to come down. I say, oh, godfather be, godmother be. As the list is working, and now also here then.
But because in a role, Ben and play or as you recognize them with positions, chief executive, director general, ministers. I don't know, say you want more man on it. Money bre, ye you should tell ye bo. You see, can you adapt ye cap him, you be tiffy.
Oh, no. You see, the modern political activism is not just one more Ghana. And now we bet me at Nabruch, so influencer or using social media alone. You can't underestimate it. And now, a bad political building, it's not just those on the grounds, say, or more posters, or more house to house. You were behind the scenes competencies. They say, we cry, build the manifesto. Why more talents, Ben, be all over the world, including a party for Moabruchi. For example, MPP USA, some of the changes are in constitution, party constitution. You should go and see document MPP USA submitted. So what I say. And then a bar manifesto, and then even some strategic initiatives. Now be a bar coalition. You know, a friend is saying. Papaya or NCA. Anochi. Even Augustine Blair or VIP Juma. All of these people are almost free diaspora and a buy. And the diaspora contribution there won't me underestimate. Yeah, sabi be your contribution from the diaspora. You can't underestimate it. What I say. And I'm very, very, very sure say your NDC phobia monso wa bruchira omaboa ewo nimdie kwan so ewo sika kwan so. Apart from that omabafom so abeye adwuma. Some of them will use social media pressure. These are forms of political activism and contribute to the overall success. Into modern day politics Obibeka say and you have to hit from all angles. We're winning NDC for winning a bay. On say President Mahama 822 kwan bi. Well, Enra no Kenya. Who redeem his statement now or trying very well. Or say thank you for your support or so something to that effect. I think say other neighboring countries. So politics you may be doing in your country, but you don't know the forces outside that are contributing.
So free the internal so many angles and dimensions.
Into young more diaspora are contributing immensely. So what I say, immensely to the political success. And to say there, and you want to say young NDC for be brain, so be free to come and contribute. They say we now serve in different capacities. Our approach. So I want to be free about one. Into no there.
Diaspora.
Oh, I see. If you only say Vondi, the MP.
Diaspora.
It is part of the politics.
Hey, Von the D.
Yes, sir.
Von the D. Also, on your power, we quite
the way you sit, the way you talk.
Not very relaxed. The so far was it. But a common anybody woman. So about or chiao two would be there. Adom, Bibia, Bako.
Oh yes, I mean, you know.
Now here, congratulations.
Thank you.
If I will cast in answer sound.
The more that
Sanity. Oh, say, no, the Bibia, sister. The arguments, Bessissa. They will be put to things across the understanding of issues. Yeah. General. So all raise about about buying now is going to go free to boss. And about more from cry.
You see, I'm resting.
So assistant general. But for who then we had a presentation.
Mame.
We don't have a presentation.
Now I see your crash, sir. Ministerial position crown.
Yeah, no. And I what come on at me now. So what come Adom FM, what come FM, what come Big Game, what come baby. And how come ground so last day the crowd no come and you get your hand. Welcome. Until you deserve to be congratulated.
Maminchawe, Naminchawania, and Yabrea, Shaya, no pay.
What difference is it?
2020, that difference near 1,200. Cecilia, and the difference near about 5,000.
What do you know? Share the voter, you know.
We
share voter MPP nyai. Won't say be likely say there so better.
Oh no, I mean,
yeah, the next one.
I say,
I couldn't.
We should look at all of it. It may not so I could do her, but yeah, the next better.
Geographical, distributions no so krana. Baby MPP for no strongholds no. And no baby no ase attain abeda about me ho.
Okay.
That kind of thing. Enti mamena woni anya bra hwe
Von the D.
Na menchia mo, ama munye na freshia pa. Afise sei, ne urade hu ye mobo. Na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ama nuama ayeye.
Na wakai twifu atimo kwa afọ.
Urade abehu ye mobo.
Yeah.
Obekaye. Na me na twifu atimo kwa man ase.
It is a majority side.
Me pa try.
Okota majority for Akonya.
Is there a majority for Akonya?
Okay.
Enti edanya mias.
Ana Kofi mo so ena we je obi se mo free minority ko
micro so then. This say you reduce on my omo kon kete. I mean your call.
Oh my goodness.
Your call floor na me sitting arrangement.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It is a baba bua be bua for
be kitwa be corner be kitwa we omkra wo. I na ha dwen o. Oh hwe okra wo hu.
Jimu no betena yi.
But you see, it is a very interesting development. I say you're careful, and this is for. You see, so one here.
Utimbe your doubles.
Utimbe your doubles so. Na ube ya dia. Ubenu ho. Na ube kase na nyeye ni atu abaka krakama ya nanu ye. One here. Because na no otumfo osai tutu asante hene ye nina yewura nana ahobrazie mu oto MPP fofo wo se aba ye tuti ajo mama ye de bufuo ni akom na to ye and is a woba no anya ni ye a won de bufuo ni akom beto ati awon so sa pepepe na futu amede ma ye ne ye ho no aba Ghana for to ye no it was MPP against Ghanaians ye bufuo ni akom ne de to aba ne kakraka di ma yenza no intesesi ye me ni da ho me ye ni beda ho nso
loka sese mo ni da ho a ase echesen
die chere ne se asesi ye ma ye trimo nya ye de bebre mbroso number 1 asese NDC fu nyina me anso me ka ho our expectation in terms of appointment must be measured. Our expectation appointment it must be properly measured because John Mama aka say or pursue use 60 ministers and no crown ya dia aya homa ya dia say your con dada parliament and
all chances say
mebo
and no all chances say or quarter system the reality on the ground will determine case or be quarter but say or try the inumbia ka no back to the reality say after checks no me who say ha no challenge kakra wa nti mo ma kwa na me fa inumbi so so.
You see, the words of a man must be like a bullet. When it is short, you don't need to reverse it back.
Wow.
Okay. Inti medina na chipping things 60 ministers no. I think say be ya
unyina wa.
Yenyina ho. And in look, Parliament crano, Cecilia, we are more than 180 annual Parliament Cecilia. Or for majority from Parliament. Would you find say we regional ministers in Fremua, bear 16 Fremua out of 60, I can't 48.
44.
44, me boy. 44 no obey majority of free parliamentar. Would also obey 30 in free parliamentar. What is it? Nipa 180 something. Now will be 30 more. You know, our the 8th parliament, you know, we were 137. 137. Inti upese yeni ayakun tokodin a fight MPP no ube select 30 mpo wo yemu. You see the tax. It's not you know, I some ketwa. Into no me no. Let us measure our expectation in terms of appointment. That is one of the hurdles we have to cross. Said the beya ye kokos no a bet na hot intact. And say no be akasa mempo ama ye say no ene ya ma mehwe ne akomo obi say no ahwe yan kasa twie ni ade no e betimi ama
you everybody deserves
no. Exactly.
But careful.
But we must be careful. And yes sir, we will begin to break our ranks right from day one. And no MPP for her. Of course, me blame on because I'm on your some days and it here.
Yeah, no Ghana for yeah, Ghana for Adrian.
I'm saying say no MPP
and
for
the formation Ghana for Adrian say this opportunity should take us to the next level.
Absolutely.
In our life.
Absolutely. And now Ghana for her can say dollar no aye di aye no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the programs or the beto akwem no. Ebe ma dollar na tiaba from. And some of us has campaigned against that so much. Look, and I'm happy because you see, we call something perception in economics. Perception. One will say abana yetu yano. The we are asumdwe abano. And na jomama ba wa bampono. Are sending some signal into the market. Into share the we are not dollar no. Elkono se say atiaba from. Into no say the programs. Yedi betudwe papa yedi betudwe 24-hour economy, the big push, entrepreneurship, yebeboa emebunu ni ade yedi ba. What it means they say ebema dollar no effect no aba from more. Media mempai bo me skoto sere ene me susu ye ne say anye kra no. Anke yebe first 4 years no. First 4 years no nanka dollar na free 17 no. Anke ya tina ba be 10.
Wow.
Me kuto se me pai bono no. But you see, I trust His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Send the programs, you know, will make it happen. Yeni ayebe fire, you know, ministers and the deputy ministers, head of various institutions, you know, chairman of boards and all that, you know. Mumi and say, we have opportunity to keep the NDC in power forever, or we also have another chance to walk out easily.
Ntakwanya na ho. Somebody matina aban mu ache. Ana se mu ambasa job ani mu amana ko be eze.
Se yehwe akomu a ade ye bebre. Ebra ne yetifie yayi. Ne ye kase ye be mempre ko pa. Wan hwe a ye be firim. Nemom se ye to ye bo. Na se ye de Ghana fo pa. Na no kaya. Ebra na commissioni ono ana hyan kom se insuo ento ewo ai Israel mem insuo ento wo wiase ana kom aba okoto oba Ukraine ya owo mole kakra ene ngo kakra aka no o se wo de ye biribi ma memi ni ansa ebe ya bei mum ye biribi ma Ghana fo ni ansa Ghana fo mi a ye de tumi ni be hye ensa kra na yenso yetimi atena so ache. And when I made to home for number one, let's manage our expectation in terms of appointment because then you'll be a John Mama between an appointment for now.
Okay.
But we'll be at the Abeba seat in our chair. We'll be at the Abeba number 2. As I see who say, a Juma Ghana for the Ashay and say, and ye Juma Ketwa. Oh, your baby uncle for your send your Marco Drua. Ye Baba yen year and Yagro. Into Ghana for your vessel. I am also when you would trek a crowd my the new be ye.
Okay, so at this point, you're also preaching, say, Ghana for Yenya Abotre. Patience, is that correct?
Patience, that's correct.
How long? should we contain the John Dramani?
You see, the taste of a pudding is in the eating. Okay, so it is not about how long, it is about the process, the progress. When you said there is some level of significant progress gradually that will move along with it. And you say broom, but there will be some level of very
so at least by the second year,
you know,
it should be clear.
Fine. Policies are working, you know. I believe, say, and the point I'm making is, you see, the man, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, will do it.
Okay, Kofi, say what you say.
He will do it.
See,
what you say.
I mean, can we be
We're cautioning the party for no.
I mean, can we be
in terms of expectation. And what's the Ghana for say? Yeah, measured with the expectation for this administration.
I mean, can we be kakra? You know, Bondi. I can we be in trouble. Young MPP4. You hear say NDC be fail. Answer ni Badwam Mpenpensenmu. Understand that principle very well.
Mumudi no, nya o mahwe ase na mo pe.
Dabi. You hear say John Mahama be fail. Answer ni Badwam Mpenpensenmu. So wo hwe ne sa na I say you are taking a binary analysis of the issue. I say anye 1 I say 2. Anye A I say B. No. John Mahama betimi ayede so he nyina. Enso Ghana fo betimi aka say baby aye duru no. Any direction or mind pese ye ko no. Still MPP mra no mede o me fanko sa direction. So it is not the case say say ye bomb paye anaye ye nhihye say NDC failure. NDC failure ye nyina yetemu bi. You get what I'm saying? We don't need Mahama to fail. In fact, we want Mahama to succeed. Because on mine ye nyina ye benya so mfa so. Eno nti na Jeremiah chro ne nsem koma to kotenafo no ka kire o mo say mo won koaso mu de. Nanso mo mpaye ma o man na motim no. Sa asomdue be den ebebam na yedie abam. If you say mo ye nkoa mpo a se yedie ba o man mu na asomdue ba mu a mo benya den mo benya so mfa so. Na ye de enye to kotenafo ye man Ghana o man ye de. So why must we wish for Ghana to fail? We don't wish for Ghana to fail. MPP will come back on stronger terms and stronger ideas and innovative ideas. About me do 2028. Baby, we are say kon. Any ideas I de beba, any leader I de beba no. Ghana for bet me aka say direction we na pese eko.
Oh my.
What you say?
Leader
but the leader is in John Mahama, so I will not call about.
I'm talking about the leader we will bring. Yeah. Whether the leader then beba the nyawase. But we will bring a leader. It's leader then
campaign.
Leader then beba no. Leader then beba no. Leader then beba no. And no crab Ghana for say okay. We like the trajectory. And don't forget say Monso no mu be yi a different leader. Don't forget. And don't forget, say that process in so no. So that process in so no. It me divide them up front.
Oh, they show you nipa na.
Oh, they're fine. Whatever. The point that I'm making to you is say we don't need NDC to fail for us to come back to power. We are not going to waste our time fighting for the NDC to fail.
He talks about yenya brave for.
Oh my mebaho. You see, a brave Ghana for benya mamon in natural sense. I think Sir Vondi's answer was excellent. You put to politics aside. The answer was that when she share would be go akwan say a show progressively say what did she share pa ba naturally Ghana for benya because Ghana for are rational beings. Once they see say you are making progress, they'll be okay. But my yembusa say ye kukromponi ye kukrumponi.
That's what mukukuru.
Meba. Oh my.
You are somebody.
Ovi.
Oh my.
Mabondi who make a cross. Nadia mu peja kwano. Peja crazy.
Oh my, me pacho.
Don't need
me pacho.
Me who kukuru na oka wa.
Anytime abo abaso say, wakasa no akasa wi. Me mo abaso. Mabo abaso.
Ye kukuru mponi.
Ye kukuru mponi.
Adede na si.
Courage, Roman rage cohe. NDC for civil servant fie pamo mu free fie no mu. G say mu free ha, mon fama. So me bo catch them.
I saw Imani right Papa the President.
Franklin Kujo.
I don't know.
Yeah, me wa block him in Kofo na ashare na me abedru me so I mean so me hu bi. And you see they are going into their who they read it.
But real.
Oh, that's that thing. Why not? Na say me Kofo afre me catch them.
I'm going to bring me but not me cross check it. I don't really want. And what he has is Franklin Kujo and the page. Dear NDC, this is from someone I deeply respect in the civil service. This is uncivil. Please desist. The IGP is hereby informed publicly. I did privately already. I am reaching out to bring to your attention a pressing matter that requires immediate action. The situation is critical, and I urgently need your assistance. Supporters of the NDC have taken the law into their own hands, harassing civil servants to vacate government residential properties at Roman Ridge. To make matters worse, they've also halted renovation works on a property allocated to me, which has been ongoing since June 2023. This blatant disregard for the law poses a significant threat to the safety and well-being of the civil servants and their families. As someone who values justice and the rule of law, I am counting on your support to help us. I respectfully request that you use your contacts to get the attention of the Inspector General of Police. We need his urgent intervention to restore order and bring the perpetrators to justice. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards. If you go to Franklin Kujo's page, I want to way to Wakovi. So
yeah, so the point that I'm making is these actions. You see, goodwill no, unya tumia. Goodwill no. A shas ya ewo chensing mamu. Now if you are 3, now we're standing kakra. When you beba hono, and this is how it starts. It's a goodwill na shas because they say civil servant now more palm or more free. You never know how many of them voted for NDC.
But some of the arguments we put you across is in 2016.
It doesn't matter. No thing.
I am mature. Say, Kofi, Asembiano, a bar.
Okay.
No, so that we can move forward as a
raise the argument.
So some of the conversations, 2016, some of them forcibly ejecting them, some of them warning them. In fact, as the Kasa Obisu, rather, Obisu the area free zones, papa. The free zones guy NDC time. Obi the video be brave no make sure. No, so all Kasa with pain about what Nitiwul then did to him in 2016.
Anuntina ye pass pass vigilante law. Say niema sebe amanfo fa to trust some kwan so ye no. Yen hwe ne den ye nyan ye nyina ye ti ase a ko parliament am ya pass mra ye yi sa niema ne nyina afri ho. Say nhihye bi. And don't forget, say, they promised a reset. But what I say, they made a promise, on which promise Ghanaians voted for them. And to whom to me in Ghana for what some medin society back. Now you the 2 million miles of Francis society bra. Was it there be dear me casa tia na what they 2 million mamma may say koyebi. No.
That's the goodwill you're talking about.
And I make a choice that good when it is civil servant no. One here now what Jack can be asheni trim. Inti abufuo na ebe woni move from now na ebe woni move for 4 years. No asa akot what here. Inti na make a check on this. We don't need you to fail. Your own actions, okay, can lead you to the direction now. Ube get it to. Okay. Inti get your acts together. I don't know say oko 2 civil servants free ni fee. I don't know say oko 2 obi free ni fee because emra ne say January 7th. Obi oya aban adwuma impono. Even Supreme Court ruling say, "Obi oye government CEO, a change of government, and it's a position." So,
I did a brena aso.
Just a brena aso. It is a Papa Mahama Bar. Naturally, a lot of CEOs will vacate their positions. Even though because him say, Sami Jenfibe say, co-terminus of the Abano, and he say, "Emrena so naturally." Mimi me na fufuwa. Omu CEO so obi aye handing over. Ebi mu kura person omu free office before January 7th. So there's that natural transition and for expect it. And we hear some of the pray. 7th never ba. Eba mu benya mfie 9. Dia mu pese mu ye bia mu betimi aye. Ti mu nya abotre. Enya sa goodwill no mu amu besesa ni nyina aye den. Afri kwanse ni mu. So what I say?
Vondi aboniti go very.
Yes, na so me tu ni for SOT. Me bo wa basu yi. Na ye ode. Ti me tu for tie.
Na bia wo free bay. So we tu for the mate ya. Na ne me pese mo bio.
So how do we cut this things off?
Sincerely, utie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the president-elect, ne efutu a odi ba na anu ya, you know, he called for
ceasefire.
Ceasefire.
The party is not in support.
No. Anya idea yesusoso. Look, you see, Yanyan take power here was still government-elect. You know, yeah, better take power. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, afina or better take power. In fact, idea working can me who ye mente, and I don't think sir it is true. Say you no credit dear, and yeah, I feel say you no munto mobo. Because I mean, I grow your dear both ye even 8 years yet me at no opposition.
Not 10 days.
Not 10 days and now 5 days I can idea. Ade na yentimin toya buna yen yenu ama ebe ma yemfa atre ensesa ye goodwill into
Exactly.
You understand? You see, so we are by to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I've said it on your show, say, answer the beto abano. We had nyama ekoswa eye ekuro akesi enimu na impact no what kese e bit is Accra Kumasi Takra de ni ade. And I make her say the MPP will struggle to keep 4 seats in Greater Accra.
Yeah.
They will struggle to be able to keep 4 seats in Greater Accra. And we are all seeing what is happening. Ghana for ya ni anu omodi nkomo yi. Let's be careful. What is here? So that this power ankoshe ye trimu bebre. But tell the America no asem we maintain ye. Me hu ye. I don't believe say you correct. What is here? Because see, when was that? Was it 2 days ago? Michia IGP or Osu. Okay. And I mean, he's my friend. He's kind of a big brother of mine, you know, all this while. And we actually exchanged a very nice greetings and so forth and so. It was nice. What I say? Ain't your best power ni de yanya wie na mumu yen toyebo na de ni bedi ensem kura. Look, I tell you something. One who sa recollation sami ni de keka ho ni ade si NDC for yan kosin ye supporters ni ye ena ka recollation ye kotugu mu ni ye bro na police for tutu gidi
ewu ni nyoma basa
wonim de yanka betimi aba me nka se dia ebeba wo dia ebetimi aba ani se nka aban betimi a declare say there is a state of emergency enti no handing over time kura no
extension
so and kadia ni ye ho ori azie mesere asema wakenke menyi ni say ye no kore nemo say ye no kore se bi sisi wo baabi a hold your guns na mon train na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onfo abenwa ne nwie yensu ani nwie December 7 year January 7 infie how many days na aka na yetimi agya ai 2 me no yetimi dia yade agana fo ene beje na nuama ayeye we have a big job to do. We have to reset this economy in this nuama nkitinkitin watimi waka meni ade. Yesterday I was watching a video on my phone. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was granting an interview to one of these journalists, I think it's Joy FM and Abibisa. Nano Walker, the treatment are buying a day mano, official residency a day mano, and the view on one, the Etriani bills, Etriani water bills near Dienano, and you know, look, and Mammy who say, ebre ye ninka so sisi anu enye se bia jomama hu nipa na abeye president biom yi o ono na abeye president biom yi And so I said, this is a time of a payback. Usha at the end of Baba Ghana. Let's be careful. What he has here. And then, you know, you win the election, you know, and it's overwhelming. This win is really legendary, you know.
Absolute win.
It is an absolute. There's no ambiguity about it. It's a sweet one. And then, you know, Montom Bokakra. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Yeah, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and so. And then we move on. And I say, I don't think that it is true. But say no credit. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. I don't think
that's the
it is
position
true.
he needs to take because.
But say you're true, dear. Then let's try and let cool health prevail. Said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the president-elect. I can't, you know. You better us here. We know what to do. Then you feel na. Why when we go see a whole crime? Yes, I have Brazilian any DM. Yes, sir.
Okay, so make sure all say 2 million baht. You see your new money now. Because no pay. Ka Kofi be TV and ka say Vondi wa. Say Kofi be ka we afa when he say or be ka we. Let be the Vondi ma on fa we nkoda. Counting down to this election, Vondi on Asempe because say big game. No bet me sorry ko e no ka say ya pon obi ka say station wa fa. That's how powerful that Vondi in the position. Also, near 2 million. What was it be did the Naquem or Bombay say, now by no, a bit me satisfy Ghana for none of the me every person. It's a good question that yet to take over. Wait until you take over. Then you put in policies and programs reasonable percentage of Ghanaians and so everybody satisfied and okay. And then you get the endorsement for the next chapter in terms of elections. So it's important we all know because you say you are human. That's why nobody takes it away from you. But the management of the country should be priority. That's the bigger picture. That Ghana for the donor, and we move so it is telling you that calm down, as human as you are, on your hate, on your bitterness, and on your anger. Not very pleased with development and the welfare of the Ghanaian. Majority say we wait me accord. So never go try one by bar. Vondi bidding komobia chain. What should we expect after 7th of January 2025? We've read it over and over and over on matters of their 120 day. 120 day and can't see the hear after 120 days, no. 2 years time, the Ghana that we all want, no, a hefa pana a bigina. That's the conversation I'm never on the any kufiba. What say so can I say yen kai as NDC for or mon kai omo na dollar ho asem, adwuma ho asem, and other things are a privilege and opportunities for a reasonable percentage of Ghanaians, no. Enye open and enye fair. Emma Obibia. You could try Waba. Ye ba after Mula na and Ibidisa and community. After this music break and Mula break, you know, ye beba abattoir and common so ye kwaba. Okay, so as I said, I must say the Mula break in so say on Chibidisa and Anyano Pi Bay, we are so either 9 or either 12 or 6 p.m. we didn't even quite dry that they be other we excited for Mula Ayonkofa Onene Omo. Mamenchia, my senior brother, on him Pon Kessia was Antimantem, Kumo Mine, Dr. Safo, Tiberima Safo Chinibo Akudia, Afishapa on Kessia. And then Mikoma Himania here or Honum, Kenya say number 1 and 2, Odeno Anafi, a year. Educhumam Sapa Pebi and Hema Wakane and Anma Wakaina Kofi a brew, my Hene Papebi, and Chairman in a console. And then I have for the entirety of our four, the Chiobia, the GDC be a coso, and then Quabin for Richamopa. Yaba back to the studio. Vondi, I will have him say, and a Kofi Tonto, and so I want him say, Minesho say, immediate chinyewo. A quine who be, you know, bridge in the miniatures immediately. Could you be better so?
But what can my mentia chairman Chama day?
Yeah, Akim.
I can't do about or I saw Buamini.
There is all you.
I saw Buamina, Yadia Branta, your friend Isaac Yorson.
Isaac Yorson.
You didn't buy a DC.
Oh, or person or MNC crash.
Oh, no, I'm a person. And yes, on the person or you.
Okay. Oh, no preference.
Any or mind to for Timokwa.
Okay. But Kofi,
normally,
most style no be almost style in terms of political party style. Say, for instance, a PDC, say MP will input him.
Oh, of course.
Seriously.
And a party chairman.
The party will actually decide with the MP, most likely.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, of course, because the party in the Nipa with me.
Okay.
Oh, sir. I did back one make a war as and it's gain see a consolidated gain now. One of the things I say and is as I said DC selection, you know, Yema MP no one of the most important individual as I say ne kasa yetie our DC selection no.
Okay.
Anya saa wodi obi a oni DC ne beko ntokwa de bia ebe kusiwa ube lose power no easily. And into no, let us allow the DC ayebefa no MP no ne kasa anasa na adwenchere enye more ni enye obi a obetimi ni MP no a collaborate ye na anya saa na akofo obi a de bia oni MP no bekon abeba constituency ne mu a de be ni se de bia no ho na just party no ana wo pam na free aban mu anu no wo behwe ne malusu seat no na mo nyina amani so ada ho ani intermediate futu amede ma NDC fo ye nyina ya ba aban mu ne se yesere mo party fo ye nyina ye nkambom ye be yi DC a let's allow the MP to make a strong voice in the selection or the appointment of the DC no abeboa yen anya saa yempesi yehu dia ema enkrofo bi call opposition yempesi ye behu bi asese yen yehunu se power na ye de ama yen no asi yehu adwuma ye consolidate power no enuado ntiase ye adwuma bom na ma man no tumpon menua 120 days here that enemy. You know, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I didn't know about go aquema, Yabubobo Subebre, you know. Look, as I said, a year dear, Yashasiano, I bet you baby a yabeko.
Exactly.
What is here? Yashasiano, I bet you baby a yabeko. Ubeganwako ye, DCB na dede will crum coca. You're losing the seat, you're losing the power gradually. MYN, and intino, Nina can futu a medemano. Mummy nyina nya ntiase mummy nyina nya abotre mummy nyina nkamum ne kakran ye fa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nsiso nwie
kowi on one tester there ba
ye di sisi wie a
MPP nitie na obujai kasa no
osen
so this honorable NDC man can be sober like that. the way he was lashing MPP ayo
yes, to me about
oh my
it's one of the things that the fee say SSC.
So in Trifo Atimokwa you humbly suggest Senka.
No, it is the people. Dodo no oh in fact you to abawie ye no say me phone ring ya 3 bia ba ko wo mu a obe propose say mo fa brand ya nemro no wa ya de wa boni homodin and just say ahimfufuo o man nti ama ase die nkrofo no apɛ no menso die nipa ne pɛ na mpɛsɛ medema no
okay
enti na me bodin say ye nyina ye bɛboa na ye de abrante na because o man no saa na o mo pɛ no na de asomdwei abra yen. In the next, there are no other people who qualify you. There are more than thousands of people who qualify. But this is the gentleman that people keep calling. Into that may feel say, well, I mean, let's do it. You know.
In the next 2 years, now, what kind of Ghana that are we looking at?
Oh, the next 2 years, a year Ghana, ebema unipa benya enidaso. A year Ghana. ebema adwumayefo sika beso eye Ghana woni a eye adwuma wo mo ankasansa no adwuma no ebekoyie ama won eye Ghana woni a wo ma adwuma gina dollar so bebre just woni a kofa anuama fra brochire beton woni a adwuma no wo ye no dollar enya impact wo so bebre no wo ma gi o ma home adanya if you say you reset the economy, you reset Ghana, ama Ghana anya nkoso papa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And then na bed before obegi won. Me the minimum 1 year better take various positions. But I believe and trust 1 year better take various positions, you know. I am more qualified when you day. In Tebema Ghana 2 years to come no. Well because say eh me pe me ni. Inti mi ananka mi $17 Ghana cedi no ene mi na dollar na aba for ma metumi to ne yie ebe ma Ghana afa na ntima pefra ebe ma amambuo obuo ene enidie ebe ma ebeba amambuo no mu ebe ma Ghana infrastructure ya kwan a aseya poto aseya jijei ye be hunu se improvement a start here bem ye be hunu se Ghana for contractors ye be san so de tumi ama won ye be hunu se Ghana ebe fa ne ntima pa February into the next 2 years no you will see a very beautiful takeoff of the economy leading to a very excellent destination but enye 2 years a ye be wie bibia wo Ghana enye 2 years a ye be ka se Ghana ye heaven. But about 2 years a yebenya ni da so. About 2 years a yebehunu se ye nam kwan papa so a ye kɔ bebia ye pese ye kɔ. Okay. About 2 years a amambuo abeye esom na enye oman no de besom. Abeye amambuo a abeye de wono no ye minister no na esom oman no. Abeye amambuo a edi enidie ebebre Ghana for abeye amambuo a edi Ghana sikasam ebe gine yie ebe ya mambo a eba memeni wo nyina yeti adwo tum ni akase me ye Ghana ni na me ye Ghana ni mapa ebe ya mambo a ebe ma Ghana fo ani age ebe ya mambo a ebe ye amambo a ye kanokre. All right, but that's one day that's Kofi sa mambo ani ye hwe ho kwan. So
Kofi just wrap up comments.
Yeah, o man bibi kakra meka ne se ensemo a ekoso no Mr. Medical catch one day say goodwill no. Egu Mpenpensenmu. Mama onsesa. O share commentary bi a era Badwam na.
Badwam is a
say your MPs bi o ha yen swear mu in.
But say ndie na sem.
You see those are some of the things that make us
no straight away eno nya ne domain nti all
yes, and you know I just want to put it on record because on mine say o can amamra na I say answer na parliament be hye na dwuma asem. Chi say you swear in speaker. Answer na be hye o madwuma asem. Chi say you swear in speaker. You swear in speaker we are and also about be swear in members of parliament. Members of parliament or be swear o mu in no. E tumi a emra ne de ama electoral commission. O kan CI 127 regulation 43 na EC 43 to 43 A or so. CI ne kitten say electoral commission kitten say one more winning abano at the constituency level. On for din nya den Emre Clark. Enti de ono speaker ebe swear in ye din electoral commission no e de aba
through the clerk.
Enti anya through the clerk. Enti nya speaker and ebe kire de obe swear in. So obi wo ho na onsem fatase eswe ni ina emra wo ho a ye fa so enye speaker dwuma nti ye besre sansem keka ne niema no emwa ya nye careful a this January 7th ade a ye hwe se be ye ade a Ghana enya a transition a ye se ye fe no na akoye ho ye enu nti na mani abre no because ya nye careful a January 7th ye bedru ho no na we akofa we seat na ntokwa akwa akosi and if this happens goodwill no ɛna yɛsesa no
And
ɛno nti ɛna mekasa ɛtie saa deɛ
Badwam kan no Mr. Wo or say per Supreme Court ruling or the abasesi MPs elects you declare second one you are not eligible to be sworn in, and I think that is the truth, because one will say you declare back first and one super high court ruling no you so declare and to say Supreme Court ruling has not quash the high court ruling through a certiorari and to one the effect, you see the effect on this high court ruling is void.
You see Vandi.
Oh yes, maybe. It's void. Not just said the status quo are returned to its originality.
No. The court
hold on, that is how. Hold on, that is what it is. That is what it is. And Intino said there is contention on this particular constituency. You declare independent.
I'm hopeful this matters will be resolved before.
You see, anything I made back because you see Supreme Court to kasa wiye no.
Supreme Court ruling.
It's
what we're going to use.
Me na make kasa o.
Na
ma make kasa wa
ya. Say call shame kakra no dey pay neighbor.
Yes.
And Intino.
Ma men come asem. You see,
allow time.
You see,
time will decide.
You see, on my
so
Supreme
these
Court
things are not anything we should worry about.
Justice Kwame Ekasa o can say on Tuesday.
Yeah.
High Court and international so.
Intino.
Me
say we will get the decision.
And you see, it is more of the reason why Ese Badwam Emiana. Because High Court, I a different lawyer, I justice, so on Tuesday. I will announce the decision on Tuesday. And the other na won twema Tuesday ne ma. Near who the High Court judge in the bed, Ebeka.
Okay, on that note, Kofi Mamendase.
And Timudia, Monsi San and Kakra.
Ebesa.
Monsi
We are meeting here. Thank you so much.